Hi friends, it's so good to see you. If you remember, in our classroom we have a light box, a big box with a light inside that we can use for tracing letters or tracing pictures. But I don't know about you, I don't have a light box in my house. So today I'm going to show you how you can use your window as a light box, just like the one we have in our classroom. So you will want to make sure that you do this activity on a nice sunny day like today. And here's what you'll need. You'll need a regular piece of white paper, and then you'll need something that you want to trace. So I found this beautiful picture of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. And then you will also need some masking tape. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a little piece of tape, and I'm going to tape the picture that you want to trace, and tape it to the window. There. This is to make sure it's nice and still so it doesn't move while you're tracing it. Another piece here, and I'll put one more on the bottom there. Just like this. Now with your sheet of blank paper, you will want to do the same thing. Couple pieces of tape and tape it on so it stays nice and still. And look, if you can see through, you can see the Eiffel Tower through the paper. And I'm going to move it here so that my Eiffel Tower is in the middle of my paper. The next thing you will need is a pencil. And then what you will do is just following the shape on the paper underneath, you will just trace it. And now if you look up closer, you can see where I traced my Eiffel Tower on top of the one in the picture. And now let's take the paper off and let's see how it looks all by itself. Then you'll need to take the tape off very carefully so you don't rip your paper. That's why I like to use masking tape, because it's very gentle. And then look, there you have your Eiffel Tower that you have traced. And you don't have to do something this complicated. You could do an animal, you could do a picture of something else, you could print out a picture from the computer, you could find something in a magazine like I did. But anyways, this is how you use your window as a light box. Okay friends, I hope you have fun using your windows as a light box. This activity is super simple. It's a great way to practice your drawing skills, your writing skills, and it's also an excellent quiet time activity. All right, so I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.